Oh my God.
Oh.
Paranormal expert Mark Edward is helping these volunteers use a Ouija board to reach out to the spirit world.
Grandpa, are you happy?
And now this woman seems to be in a deep supernatural conversation with her deceased grandfather.
Yes.
That's good.
Grandpa is happy.
Are you starting to believe?
So now how do you feel?
I don't know, it almost makes me want to cry. I'm happy that he's happy. Doubted a little bit at the beginning, but after doing it and experiencing it, there's no way I can doubt it now, I think.
At this point, we could easily let these people leave convinced they contacted the spirit world.
No way you can doubt it.
I don't think so, no.
But for our final test, we're going to have the group reach out again, only this time with a little twist.
What I have here are some blindfolds.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Surely blindfolding our participants won't make a difference to the spirits.
Okay.
Thank
Or
you.
will it?
I'm going to place the planchette in the center of the table. Now is going to be the moment of truth. Spirits, can you speak to us? Are you there? Right there? Kendall's grandpa, show us that you're with us again.
That's odd. Are the spirits drawing a blank?
You know what year he died?
Yes.
Okay. What year did you die? Right there? Okay. Here's the second number.
How do you think our new believers will react when they find out the spirits are having some technical difficulties?
The third, one more number. Okay. You can take your blindfolds off. Now, what year did he pass away?
2010.
So this should be conclusive evidence at this point. Now, the spirits did a fantastic job without the blindfolds, but with the blindfolds on, this is what I got when you went for the date from Grandpa, who was so clear before, right? Here's what you got. You got a J and a K, and you got 3 blanks that were on the middle of the wood. There was no numbers here, here, or here.
She looks like she just saw a ghost. So what's going on here? Before, the spirits were answering their questions perfectly.
Oh.
Did they suddenly forget how to spell? And if everyone swears they aren't in control,
I'm not moving it.
then who or what is moving the dial?